Papua New Guinea will soon have its first University of Medicine and Health Sciences.
Parliament has passed a landmark bill to establish PNG's first University of Medicine. Minister for Higher Education, Research, Science and Technology, Kinoka Feo, presented the PNG University of Medicine and Health Sciences Bill 2025. This bill marks a strategic investment in the health and well-being of the people. Prime Minister James Marape also supported this important medical bill. Denise Kalau reports.
The government continues to drive reforms in the health sector aimed at building strong institutions capable of serving the people effectively, and this medical university bill forms a cornerstone of these reforms by defining how the country trains and manages its health workforce, including infrastructure. Presenting this bill to Parliament today, Minister Kinoka admits there are many challenges in the health sector that's real and cannot be ignored, among them the shortage of manpower and medical supplies, as well as specialist services. The minister believes this bill will transform PNG's health system.
The bill establishes the Papua New Guinea University of Medicine and Health Sciences as a fully autonomous institution with corporate flexibility and academic freedom necessary to rapidly address our crisis in health workforce.
Prime Minister Marape, in supporting this bill, says there is no greater investment than in the medical and health sector.
What we're trying to do now, just put him CCs, the umbilical cord between the medical faculty and School of Medical and Sciences, on the UPNC, and a lot of campus along MedFac, that was Mr. Talk before, Sanab Emir, and we build around it. One time, Port Moresby General Hospital was my specialist hospital, Blimi. It can become a training facility for doctors, Blimi. Link him. Hopefully that system will link to our School of Nursing, our community health worker colleges, so there's a distinct, clearly path to grow and incubate medical workers in our country.
Marape says the establishment of a stand-alone medical university would link existing health training institutions. This includes nursing colleges and community health schools. The Prime Minister commended all those who contributed to this important bill, which was passed by an overwhelming 76 votes in Parliament today. Denise Kalau, NBC National News, Port Moresby.